Hi, I'm going to show you how to make this cup cozy, and this is great for like your coffee cup. I used an H hook. The pattern is down below. I'm going to show you how to do the cozy and the heart that's on it. Okay, so let's get started. This is the yarn that I use for the cozy, and it's impeccable yarn, 187 yards, and it's called Purple Impression. It looks like this, multicolored. Okay, I'm going to start with a slip knot onto my H hook, and I did a chain count of 32. You may need more chains or less chains, but it needs to fit very snugly around your cup. You don't want it too loose, but you don't want it too tight. So once you have your chain count, then you're going to meet the ends together and slip stitch, and then have it go around your cup to make sure that it fits. And you want it to fit tightly. You do not want it to fit loose or it will fall off. You're going to chain one and then work a half double crochet in each chain around. So half double crochet, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. You're going to slip stitch into the chain 1. You can also try this in a double crochet as well. I wanted to do the chain 1 instead of a chain 2 because I wanted it to not expand too much. Then I just did another chain 1 and then half double crochet in each half double crochet around. So you need to keep track of your count of 32 if you have a chain count of 32. So now you will have 32 all the way around for half double crochets. And then this is just a repeat. You're going to slip stitch in that chain 1 and then chain 1 again, and then work a half double crochet in each stitch around again. I did this for a total of 7 rounds. You can make this longer or shorter depending on how big your cup is. Okay, I'm going to slip stitch in that chain 1, and then slip stitch again into the next stitch and pull through and then weave in all your ends. Going to slip stitch into the magic circle for the heart. If this is your first time, I have a video on that down below. Then you're going to yarn over, chain 3 first, and then you're going to yarn over twice for a treble crochet. Insert the hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops for a treble crochet, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and you're going to repeat that for 2 more treble crochet. So just repeat it, yarn over 2 more times, so twice yarn over, and then just repeat. Insert your hook, grab that yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and then repeat that 1 more time for your treble crochet. Now you're going to work 3 double crochet. So yarn over once, insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Repeat that 2 more times for 2 double crochet. Now chain 1, treble crochet, yarn over twice, and treble crochet, and then chain 1 again. Now work 3 double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, now work 3 treble crochet, yarn over twice, and insert your hook, 3 more treble crochet, now chain 3, and then you're going to pull this heart closed with your tail and slip stitch into that ring to complete. You're going to cut your yarn, yarn over and pull through to complete, and then pull that tail closed for the center to close, and then your heart is complete. And then you can weave in all your ends. You can weave in your ends and then take one of those tails if you like, and you can sew it on to your cozy. You do have a seam with your chain 1s in the back of your cozy, and so you're going to do it on the opposite side in the front so it looks better and the seam can be in the back. Just going to sew it on the center with the seam in the back on the cozy, and then just weave it in around the heart, on the border of the heart. So this is what it looks like when it's complete. You can just slide it right on. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.